The controversy on where the first Mass in the Philippines was held has long been argued. While it is known that the first Mass in the Philippines was held on an Easter Sunday, 31st of March 1521, the island Limasawa has brought confusion as to which place it is referring to. The little island southern Leyte, called Limasawa, or the beach called Mazao, at the mouth of the Butuan River in northern Mindanao, near Butuan. While Butuan tradition was accepted for centuries, a rediscovery and more attentive study of Pigafita's account and Albo's log revealed that the first Mass was held in Limasawa, and that the Butuan tradition was already alive before Magellan's expedition. After thorough examination of the evidences, people are more convinced that the first Mass was held in Limasawa, as the evidences for Butuan are inconsistent of the evidence and data. Butuan tradition. It was initially claimed that the first Mass in the Philippines was held at a beach called Mazao, the mouth of the Agusan River in northern Mindanao. The basis of this stance is the Butuan tradition that was unbroken for 3 centuries, 17th, 18th, and 19th century. During the 17th century, historians Father Francisco Colin, S.G., and Father Francisco Combes, S.G., both asserted that Magellan's voyage included both Butuan, Limasawa, and Cebu. In support of this stance, a number of historians acknowledge the Butuan tradition and being the site for the first Mass until the 19th century.
Limasawa. It is strongly claimed that Limasawa held the first Mass in the Philippines. This stance is based from numerous evidence, namely Albo's logbook, Pigafetta's Primo Viaggio in Tomo al Mundo, or First Voyage Around the World, Legazpi's expedition, and the geography of Mazua. From Albo's logbook, it was found that from Humunhon, Magellan sailed southwest to a small island called Mazawa, which fits the location of Limasawa. This was followed by the evidences from Pigafita's account, which reports the first finding. The island of Mazawa in Pigafita's map lies in position close to that of Limasawa. It also contains a detailed account of Magellan's expedition, which tells that the Magellan expedition, before Magellan's death, was never in Butuan. Another evidence that supports this stance is the Legazpi expedition, which implies the pilots during the time acknowledged Mazawa as an island near Leyte and Panao. Lastly, even the fisher folks refer to the place as Mazawa and not Limasawa. These evidences imply that it is impossible for the first Mass to be held in Butuan, an entirely different and remote